Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to do these DIY Dollar Tree sunflower skulls. And I've actually been making quite a few of these. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do them. They're super simple, really easy, and they only cost $2.
I won't make it easy for you now.
You only need three things. You need some sunflowers, and these, of course, are fake fabric sunflowers from the Dollar Tree for only $1. And then you're going to also need some skulls. And I like the Dollar Tree ones, not only because of the price, but also because they're a softer plastic. So it makes it really easy to cut them and shape them the way that you want them so that you can glue them onto the sunflower. The other thing you're going to need is some hot glue. You could probably use epoxy or E6000, whatever that other glue is, but I really like hot glue because they're easy, quick, and it's done within seconds. So you see a little trick I'm doing here to take off the tag is I'm just pulling the top of the flower off, and then I'm pulling the tag right off of the stem and then popping the flower top right back on. That makes it really easy and super simple. I wish I had figured that out when I started making these instead of during this video, but there you go. There's a tip for you. It's hard to see, but I'm trying to show you, but the camera isn't picking it up. There's a little tiny hole underneath that skull's head. And so what I like to do is get a sharp pair of scissors and sort of stick it inside of the hole there and cut upwards first. And I have to apologize. This was really hard to do in the shot of the camera in the frame because I don't have a viewfinder and I needed to kind of hold it close so that I could get it right. But you kind of split the head open and then you cut around the outside. There's a little area around the top of the skull that works as a perfect little guide, I guess you would call it, and you just cut right around the outside of there. You're going to see it in a minute, just like that. And so it has a nice flat back. Now, it really doesn't matter if you keep the underneath of the jaw intact or if you cut it off because you're going to be gluing these and you're not going to see what they look like underneath. It's really just that easy. They take about 5 minutes to make and I think they're so cute. I know that I'm a little strange because I think they're adorable, but I've had a lot of people come to the house and love them as well. So I've just been making them because they're easy to make, they're fun to make, and they're cute. So I hope that you guys end up making some of these skull sunflowers. If you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Hope Reset. I would love to see them, and I'd love to see the other ways that you come up to make them. I was thinking about maybe taking little green stones and giving them little emerald eyes, but I wasn't sure if that was just going to be a little too extra or not, but I might do it with one of my sets. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you think that it would be a little too extra if I sparkled up their eyes just a little bit. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love for you to hang around a little bit longer and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this content, make sure that you hit the like button and comment below. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm so excited that we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 500 a couple weeks ago, and I did my 500 subscriber giveaway. She did receive her bag, so definitely go show her some love over on Instagram. I'm going to post all of her information down in the description box below. Her name is Carolyn, and tell her that I said hi and go check out her new bag. It's so awesome. One of the cool things about this craft is that when you're gluing on the skulls, you don't have to worry about where they're placed because the actual little flowers move. So when you're all done, you just move the little heads all in the same direction or the way that you like. So this is how I have one of the setups downstairs, and I have the floral arrangement all set with Dollar Tree stuff here, except for this little vase that they're in, which I got from Target. But I just think that this is the cutest sign, and I think that the little skull sunflowers turned out really cute here. Thanks you guys so much for staying until the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I come out with new content every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm always bringing DIYs, cleaning, cooking, and all sorts of other mommy content. I love getting to know each and every one of you that comment. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I can't wait to see you next Thursday.